Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am with you with class 7th and we were doing the chapter Lines and Angles. I just explain you all the important points, whatever is there, okay? And based on that, one exercise is there, that is 5.1. So I'm just now doing first, second, third, fourth, fifth questions for you. You just watch it carefully and try to understand it. If any doubts are there, then please write it in comment box. Before that, I must say subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel to your friends ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक ये पहुंच सके. अगर आपके बच्चे इस क्लास में नहीं हैं तो मेरा ये रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को, अपने ब्रदर सिस्टर, उन लोगों को फॉरवर्ड कीजिए, बट सब्सक्राइब तो कीजिए चैनल और उन लोगों को फॉरवर्ड कीजिए. हो सकता है उन लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल हो. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट this one chapter, exercise 5.1. The very first question is find the complement of each of the following angles. I told you complementary angles क्या होते हैं? Sum of two angles must be equal to 90 degree, right? Now see, first angle they have given what, 20 degree. So you must write first sum of angles of complementary angle is what, is 90 degree, right? Let the unknown angle be x. Okay, this statement is for all the three, this one and this one. Okay children, so how you'll do it? See, sum of angles, one angle is we just know, other angle we don't know. So I am writing in this way, 20 degree plus what, x degree, that is equal to what, 90 degree. Okay, this is the complement of 20. So what it will be, 90, this 20 will go that side, that will become this one. So x will become what, 70 degree. So what is its complementary angle? Its complementary angle will be 70 degree. Right children, in the same way you will write here also, then 63 degree and let the other angle be x degree. So this plus x is equal to what, 90 degree. Then x is equal to what, 90 degree minus 63 degree. So children, it is very simple, just you have to keep in mind कि कैसे करना है. This is the way how you will do the sum. So this is what, 63 minus this is 10, 10, 7 and this is 8, this is 27 degree. So x is what, 27 degree. This is the complement of this. And the third one part also you will write this first, then after you will write 57 degree plus x degree, other one will be x equals to 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 degree minus 57 degree, that will be equal to 3 and 8 minus 3 is 5. No, 8 minus 5 is 3. So in this way you will do this sum. Okay, see in the next question what they have asked, find the supplement of each of the following. In the earlier question we have done the complement of, now we have to do the supplement of. As we have written above, we will write over here also, this is the solution, sum of angles of supplementary, pair of supplementary angle is how much, 180 degree, right? Let the unknown angle be x. Right children? So this is this and the supplement of this is x. So x 105 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Right? X is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree, that is equal to what you'll get 5. Then this is 7. So 75. What is the other angle? The other angle is 75 degree. I think this is clear to you. Okay children. Now come to the second part. This you will write as it is, as you have written in the first one part. Okay. This you will write here. Then after, let the other, its supplement be x. Let its supplement be x. Now, just start doing this. So, 87 degree plus x equals to what? 180 degree. Supplementary angle है इसलिए x degree equals to 180 minus 87. Now see, this 3 and here 7, 17. 17 minus 8 is 9, 93. So, what is our x is equal to what? 93 degree. Okay children, the supplement of 87 is what? 93. Now come to the supplement of this. How will find out? Let the other be x. So 154 plus x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 154, that is 6. Then 7, 2, 26. So what is the supplement of this? That is 26 degree. Okay children. So children, in first question you have done what is the complement of other. Okay. In second question you have done the find out the supplement of one of the angle is given. Okay. You have you just find out the what was its supplement. Now the question is identify which of the pair. Here is pairs given to you. Okay. Pair of angle is given to you. Pair is complementary and which is supplementary. See, I have written 3 questions here. Now you have to find whether it is supplementary or complementary. For this तो you आप देख के इसको पता लगा सकते हो. 115 it can't be complementary. Okay, तो 115 है, that means supplementary हो सकता है. Let us see. 65. We know that for supplementary angle, for supplementary pair, what we need, the sum of angles is equal to what? 180 degree, right? This is the condition for this. Now just find out whether it is following the condition or not. See, must be 180 degree. Now let us see 5, 5, 10 ke 0 carry 1, 2 and 8 and 1, 180 degree, 180 degree. So it is following the condition of this, so it is supplementary angle. Right, now come to this one. This you can see supplementary हो नहीं सकता. Complementary के लिए let's try. For complementary pair of angles, sum of angles must be what? 90 degree. Okay, let us see it is following the condition or not. 27 must be what? 90 degree. Now let us see. 0 carry 1 and this is 90. 90 is equal to 90. That means this is a complementary angle. This is a pair of complementary angle. Okay, complementary angle. Okay. Now see the third one. 80 plus s. देखने से ही पता चल रहा है. It is following this one, that is 80 degree plus what? 10 degree equals to what? 90. So 90 is equal to 90. That means this is also a complementary pair of angle. This is also a complementary pair of angle. Now come to the fourth question, that is find the angle which is equal to its complement. These 2 questions, and next question is find the angle which is equal to its supplementary. These 2 questions are very very important. ये आपके एग्जाम में आता ही आता है. This is most important question of this exercise. तो इसमें क्या करना है, आपको ये चीज ध्यान से समझनी है. सी, एंगल विच इज इक्वल टू इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. यू नो, दो एंगल्स का सम अगर 90 डिग्री होता है दैट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. ओके, वो बोल रहे हैं कि दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल होना चाहिए. लेट द एंगल्स, हमने दोनों एंगल्स कितना ले लिया? बी व्हाट? एक्स. what you have taken, let it be x. Then what will happen? See, according to the condition, according to the condition, what condition of complementary angles, what is that? That is sum of angles is equal to what? 180, not 180 degree. It is what? 90 degree. Right, children? Sum of angles. Angle what we have taken? X. So x plus x is equal to what? 90 degree. Right? X plus x is what? 2x. 2x equals to 90 degree. Okay, let me do like this, otherwise you will get confused. Stop this. X plus x is what? 90 degree. So this is x plus x is what? 1x, 1x, 2x. 2x is equal to 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 degree upon 2. Here it is multiplying. यहाँ आएगा तो divide हो जाएगा. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. This is 45 degree. तो आपका value क्या आया? X is equal to x degree equals to what? 45 degree. If the angle, if one of the angle is 45, then it will be equal to its complement. The complementary angle is also 45. As you can see, 45 plus 45 degree equals to what? 90 degree. Clear? In the same way, if I'll just a little bit change the question, then it will become fifth one. Fifth question is, which is equal to its supplement? Right? Which is equal to its supplement. So for supplementary angles, what is the rule? What is the condition for that? That sum of angles is equal to what? 180 degree, right? Let one of the angle be x. Okay, so both are equal, that means x plus x, that is equal to what? 180 degree. This is what? 2x equals to what? 180 degree. अब x यहाँ पे 2 क्या हो रहा है? मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. जब वो उधर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? वो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 2 9s are 80 and this one. X is equal to what? 90 degree. Right, children? So I think it is clear to you. Be with me. I'll tell you some other questions in my next video. आप सीरीज में वीडियोस को देखिए ताकि आपको हर एक चीज क्लियर होती जाए. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन, गुड बाय. सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, लाइक माई चैनल एंड शेयर माई चैनल as much as you can. Thank you.